Want to talk to us? Alright. Yeah? Really? Talk, baby. Keep the camera shy. Tell us about your day. Did you see Auntie today and Grandma today? And other Grandma today? Uh-huh. Did you have fun? She's still deciding. Were you bored? Is that what that means? Hi! Now she noticed the camera. Now she's not going to talk. Oh. Yeah? What? It's like as soon as she notices the camera, she gets upset. Have you noticed that? What's up? Oh yeah? Really? Cool. Yeah. Oh, Gigi's so cute. Really? You look like you're really trying to get something out. What's that face for? What's that little grumpy face for? What's that all about, honey? What? What? Talk, baby. Tell us about your day. What are you doing, baby? Haley. She's blowing bubbles. She's focused. Blowing bubbles? You all tired of talking now? Set her down. She can't concentrate on making her legs stand up and talking at the same time. Hi. Hello, chubby girl. Look at her. Where'd my toes go? Bubbles. She loves looking at her toes. Haley. Uh-oh, she spit up a little bit. Uh-oh. It's dirty? Yep. Well, it's not dirty, but... It's dirty now.
Tell me this isn't a Boba case. I think he's trying to tell me something, John.
Feel better?
Tell me he's going.
Yeah? Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, happy girl? You ticklish. She is, but she doesn't laugh. But you can tell because she kind of reacts to it. Oh, yeah? There's your toes. Oh, more spilled up. Oh. Oh, a little more. What are you doing? Oh, no, look at those toes. Aren't they cute? Pretty nice toes. They're more fascinating when you don't have the socks on, huh? Yeah. Haley. Talk, baby. What? What, Goofy Goober? Oh, Daddy. Oh. Don't cry, love. Hi. Hi, gorgeous. Like, what is that thing you're holding?
She knows what it is. It's the thing that flashes in her face and wakes her up.
Poor baby.
Oh,
A goo-goo.
that's just a warning cry, huh? That's just a warning cry.
There.
Yeah. What? What? Oh no. Oh no, don't cry. What is it? Oh. And me? Oh.
I think that was a combo of a cry and a talk in one.
Oh. What is it? What do you want? What is it? Okay. You want to lay down this way?
Oh, instant better when Daddy taps her.
Almost. Is it better? Yeah. Yeah, that's better, huh?
Hi,
Something
baby.
must hurt a little bit.
Her eyes are huge right now. Are you patting her real hard?
Oh. Just because she's got to look up at you.
She looks like she's going, woo, Dad. Patting too hard.
She looks like I'm having fun right now. Is it a little better?
And now, the historic coin mint is making available this rare commemorative coin in tribute to the team who carried out Operation Geronimo, featuring the courageous SEAL team and their secret stealth